do you will you give some message to the people who still don't believe this tinnitus can be rid of, and as they are feeling like their quality of life deteriorating day by day, but still they are not believing?
Definitely. I would recommend definitely that once everyone should once try, who has this type of problem, they should try this device, because I already recommended few people who are here and there. I told them, if this type of problem you have, just try this device. They told me, okay, it's the initial stage, I will see. So I will definitely recommend that firmly that they should use this device once to see how the result is. Because I am satisfied with the device, and I am sure that this device will help other people as well.